Alright guys, this is Dwipen Gogoi. Let's do some analysis and top stocks for tomorrow. And this one Nifty and a 15-minute chart. So price opened a gap up and continued toward the level of 17,000, almost 900. Let's say round figure 900. And after that, price dropped again and closed around 17,791. All right. So exactly you can see where exactly price open, almost closed near. So it look like a pin bar. So when pin bar are forming, this is called indecision candle. Let me show you in a daily time frame. So here you can see, yeah, this one a daily time frame. Let me zoom a little bit actually. Yeah, so here you can see this one indecision candle. All right, so here according to daily time frame, it's a clear uptrend and the price are bouncing some specific moving average this area, but this is a false breakout. So price broke this resistance line, which is let me show you exactly. Okay, horizontal line by connecting this one. Okay, now here I can see this is the resistance line, strong resistance. Price was rejecting and close above this resistance line. But if you see, this is a range, market range. So we are expecting that price will stay for few days, or we can say few months in between this range. So here price open a gap up and pull up, but fail to create a new high. Again price pull back again. So we are expecting that price will retest this lower point. And let's do some analysis, fundamental analysis. First, okay, this one future market, so all are negative. Have you seen it? Future market all are negative, and the Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq, Russell, everything are negative. So we are expecting that price will retest this lower point in Indian market also. And why price like future market and indices are negative? So let me show you some fundamental news. Here I can see Treasury note yield morning jumped 11-year high 3.75. all right, so this is the most important news. Here you can see stock are under pressure today for rising global bond yield, concerned aggressive Fed tightening with a push economic into the recession. So that is why future market and indices, global indices are negative. Another important, which is the weightening on a technology stocks, so highly impacting in a technology stock. So basically tomorrow we are focusing on a technology stocks in a bearish direction, remember. Okay, also Ford Motor down more than 5% down pre-market trading after warning 3 quarters, and EBITDA will below the expectation, and quarter supply cost the running 1 billion also expectation. This is the most important. And another 2 days FOMC meeting begins, so later we'll discuss when going to release the result. Begin the morning, and market expectations are FOMC, the rising Fed fund targeting the range of 75 basis point. So it's a highly aggressively Fed are taking decision. So that is why investors are just book the profit and they are focusing the downside. All right, so that is also most important news. Let me show you when going to release the news. If you see global calendar, okay, global calendar, today is Tuesday and Wednesday. Let me show you here. So most important results going to release around 11:30 p.m. First, FOMC economic projection they are going to release, and FOMC statement will be there, and federal fund rate also. if all are negative, so certainly market will I think it will be around 2 to 300 point gap down will be okay. So already we have seen their impact this news in a global market. So let me show you the global market. Okay, so all global market indices future are negative. Have you seen this one? So that is the negative. So we have some position on the bearish side, but not exactly. This is my wife account, so I just took a position for the bearish side. Okay, just a minute. The free margin still are there. Okay. Okay, so we had a position, so we expecting that the market will be market will gap down tomorrow. That is why. So let me show you the portfolio. Sorry, open position. Okay, some position here. I can see this is the put 17,800 put buy. One lot expired in 22nd September. So expecting the price will gap down. So basically, I'm focusing on a technology stock. So let me show you technology stock in Indian market. Auto, pharma, banking, media, technology. Okay, so I'm expecting that like Emphasis, TCS, Naukri, Tech Mahindra, LTS. So let me show you one by one. All right, let's do like that, and let me find technology stocks. Okay. Okay, just a minute. So we'll analyze. Okay, we'll analyze here. First, let me show you Emphasis. Let me write down Emphasis. So basically, I'm looking for sell on this in these stocks, technology stocks. All right. So Emphasis clear downtrend. Okay, clear downtrend. Here you can see. Basically, I'm looking for short. So here you can see they are bouncing some specific moving average somewhere there. So we are expecting that it will create a new high. So if I get an opportunity near this moving average, so this called 20 exponential moving average EMA in a daily time frame. This one you can see. So I'm looking for short. It's a probability to continue toward the downside. So by seeing this global market. So another HCL Tech, let me see, HCL Tech. Okay, HCL Tech also in a downtrend, but price not able to create lower low. So basically we are looking for buy, or sorry, when we are buying put, or we are looking for short when they are creating lower low. So last few days price not able to create a lower low. They are not able to break this level. So basically I'm looking for buy after breaking this level 875. So it's a lower low. Okay, so once break, so definitely we'll go for short. So first opportunity we have seen in Emphasis, and the next one Naukri. Let's see Naukri. Okay, these are technology stocks. So technology stock they are creating. So here you can see daily time frame, and the price creating new higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So first here I can see they are not able to create higher high, and they are creating higher low, so lower low. All right, so in that case we are looking for short below this level around 4200. So we are looking for, we are expecting that price will create a new lower low very soon in Naukri. Okay, so another stocks that is Tech M, TEC, Tech M, Tech Mahindra. Okay, Tech Mahindra also here I can see, and this is the swing point. So basically I'm looking for buy after breaking this trend line. So I can say around what will be around 1020. All right, once break this level. So here you can see this is a clear downtrend and some correction we have seen, and this is a supporting line. So once break this supporting line, so definitely you will go for short in a tech M. So why we are focusing on technology stock? So in a fundamental news, here you can see tightening the technology stock, which is the weighted and technology stocks, all right. So basically it's impacting on a technology stock. That is why we are focusing on a technology stocks also. LTI, sorry, LTI. Okay, all are clear downtrend. So basically the price near this supporting line. So here you can see price was rejecting again and again. So this is the most important level. Price are rejecting, rejection, and the support and finally. So perfect pin bar are forming here. Have you seen pin bar? So definitely I'm looking for short in this area after breaking this lower point. So we're expecting the price will retest this level. Okay, so okay, another OFSS. Okay, yeah, it's almost a near lower point. So in that case I'm looking for breakout this area. So I'll apply breakout trading strategy. So okay, here I can see this is the market range. The price are bouncing from this area, and this is the market range. Sorry, this is the market range. Okay, market range, and this is called a range breakout. So and here I can see volume also increasing. So in that case most of the people are asking me, sir, here you can see, so this is the market range, upper side, and this is the downside, all right, downside. So most of the people are asking me, sir, here also they broke this resistance line, but the price again bounced from this area. Again price broke this area. It's a probability to bounce area. Yeah, it may happen, but in that case here you can see volume and compare to this volume. So here bearish volume are higher to compare this level. So we are expecting the price will continue toward the downside after breaking this resistance line. All right, so we are focusing on many things also. And another or last one, let me show you last one. Okay, last one. So Wipro and Minty. So let's do some another also stocks also. Wipro, this is the Wipro. Yeah, Wipro also near supporting line. So basically I'm using breakout trading strategy, range breakout trading strategy. Mindtree, let's see, Mindtree, yeah, this one, Mindtree. Okay, Mindtree, here I can see also same pattern they are forming near this supporting line. So we need a breakout. So most of the people are thinking it's a bullish pin bar. It's not still confirming. All right, it's a probability to continue toward the downside. And the last, TCS and Infosys. Let's see, TCS. Okay, this one, TCS, also near supporting line. So here I can see basically we are looking for buy after breaking short below this lower point, or we need a pullback. Now basically we use like bouncing trading strategy somewhere there, and another trading strategy that is called breakout trading strategy. Now here I can see it's going to be going to break this level, so it's a probability to continue toward the downside. All right, so last one, and Infi. Okay, this one, Infi. What happened? Okay, Infi. All right, Infi. What happened? Okay, think network issue. Let me show you last one. Infi. Where is the Infi? Okay, Infi is somewhere here. Yeah, okay. Okay, here I can see this one Infi, and Infi also near supporting line. So definitely once break this supporting line, will short toward the downside. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.